Walmart is quietly setting up to dethrone Amazon, and here's 3 reasons why. Now we can see the sales spike during the holiday season, and it just shows within the last 6 months for this client, they've made over $100,000 on Walmart. So don't tell me it's not possible, because it completely is, especially during the holiday season, obviously. That's where sales really start to spike. But what we really want to look at is why it's so good. And number one is going to be ungating. Gating approval is so easy on Walmart right now. So if you want to sell Lego, you want to sell Nike, you want to sell Louis Vuitton, you can. And it is, in my opinion, extremely easy to get ungated. And as you know, Legos go crazy for the holiday season. So whoever's selling these are going to make a lot of money. Walmart's not even competing with them, which is great. Now, what they're going to ask you if you attempt to sell these items is they're going to ask you these questions such as, are all your Legos on hand? Are you an authorized reseller for Lego? Are your suppliers authorized distributors? Where are your suppliers located? How long have you been working with these suppliers? Are any of your Legos pre-owned? And then they're going to ask for an invoice. Sometimes the invoice only needs to have 1 unit on it. Sometimes they ask for 50 MOQ as of right now. But so far, they've never asked for a letter authorization like they do with Amazon. Also, I have not seen them actually verify any of this information. So if you send it, I have not seen them verify it, if that makes sense. So they kind of just decide if it looks legit, they'll just approve it as of right now. And then one of our clients got approved for Louis Vuitton recently. Louis Vuitton. And I kid you not, it was extremely easy for them to get ungated and approved for Louis Vuitton on Walmart. A little too easy, in my opinion. But hey, it's great for sellers. So that's going to be number one, is it's so easy to ungate. Number two is once you're ungated, it literally, Walmart will tell you how their algorithm works. So they have a listing quality tab. You go there, okay? And this is pretty much how you win on Walmart. It gives you a score, just like when you take a test in class. If you get a good grade, you do better and you can do better in life, right? It's going to be the same thing. You want to get your listing quality score to at least 82%. And here's the thing, Walmart tells you exactly how to do that. They say, look, your title, we give it a 50%. Get it to 100%. And they tell you pretty much what to do to get your title from a 50% to 100%. Your bullet points, your description, your back-end keywords, what are you missing on your listing? And then once you get it to 82%, all of a sudden, sales start to spike because Walmart automatically pushes you to the first page since you're following their algorithm. So, it doesn't really get better than that. I wish Amazon had that, but Amazon doesn't tell you their algorithm. Walmart literally tells you. So this is, can't beat that. Last but not least this is, I know, a rough screenshot, but this is a screenshot of an actual Walmart employee. So if you start generating sales on Walmart, you'll notice that you automatically get a free Walmart rep. So you get an internal person at Walmart, and this internal person, this one right here, gave us $2,000 in free advertising credits for Walmart. 2,000 escalated cases internally at Walmart. One of our clients got suspended. They have had an internal rep. We contacted them and then they unsuspended the account. So the internal rep is so powerful and it's free. It just doesn't get better than that. I've never had an internal rep at Amazon that wasn't free. This is completely free. They'll reach out to you right when you start making money, right? And they're from the US. So, it just doesn't get better than that. So those are the main 3 reasons why Walmart is going to dethrone Amazon. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart and Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just start selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management. This is what will manage your inventory, help you get ungated, Call Walmart, customer service, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit is you can spend time working on growing your business while we're managing the operations, making sure you're making more money. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out. Hey.